So, got these chicken wings from our local butcher shop. Nice looking. Gonna cut them up, put them in the bags. Gonna wash them first, a little bit of salt. And then use the seasoning mix, put them in the bags, shake them up, bake them for about 30 to 40 minutes. So it's time to cut them up. Nice looking wings. And we'll set these aside as we go. And we're gonna wash them, get them nice and clean with some salt and water, most definitely. So I'm gonna wash the chicken now. Use this hand, of course, because I need to open the salt with this hand, clean. Get a bunch of salt right there, that way salt cleans it really well. Turn the cold water on, there we go. Just clean it all. You can feel the salt just cleaning that chicken. Don't take much. Close that salt. And bam. All salt off. Okay.
Dry off the chicken.
Yeah.
Pat it down so it come out nice and crispy.
Pat it down to dry.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna put half in this bag. And I'm gonna keep going. And I'll put the other half in this bag.
I'm gonna shake it up. It's all coated evenly in here in these bags.
Yeah. Delicious.
It's gonna be so good. Okay, take them out of the bag. Skin side down.
Separate. Separate them, yeah. Okay. So there they are. So I'm gonna set it for 30 minutes to start and then check them. Then we'll come back.
Okay, I'm gonna do the celery. Got fresh celery today. I think 2 would be enough. It's just me and my husband. I've already washed them. I cut the ends off. And then I'm gonna peel them.
So it's been 15 minutes. I'll take them out and put them up here and then turn them. My wife's turning them right now. And then we're gonna put them back in the oven and air fry them for another 15 to 20 minutes maybe. So they're done after 40 minutes. Just letting them rest for about 5 minutes and then we'll serve them up. This is our wings. They look beautiful. Celery, she got ranch. I have chunky blue cheese.